because we are going now we discuss program of DDA. We can develop program of DDA in Turbo C or Visual C++, both. The logic is same. You may develop either in Turbo C or you may develop either in Visual C++. There is no utilization of OpenGL to draw DDA because OpenGL is used to draw animation or 3D graphics on computer screen. So you have to develop, you may develop DDL Go without the help of OpenGL graphics library. So first we discuss step 1, input start and end coordinates. Step 2, calculate slope, that means value of m. Step 3, when m less than 1, more incremented, and if when m greater than 1, then y going to be more incremented. Step 5, iterate the loop from initial to endpoint coordinates. Step 6, you may get output of DDA line. Input value of x1 and x2, x1, x2 and y1, y2. Then difference of x, dx. This is dx can be represented as delta x. This we can say that is the difference of x. That means x2 minus x1. And now we can find out the difference of dy. This is my minus y1, and we can represent dy as delta y. This is the difference of y. If abs dx greater than ABS dy. Is equal to dx ABS function. It is used to find absolute value of x. What is the use of absolute? That means if we get the value of dx in negative, like if we get value of dx in -10, then ABS convert dx into 10. So point plotted in non-numeric number. So difference of x greater than difference of y, then slope is dx, else slope is dy. And I will call the functions for pixels. Here is dx, dy and 4. What does it is the user defined function. It is a user defined function which is used to plot pixel on given coordinates, and this is color value. Start point, sorry, this is the value of x and this is the value of y. And now we can find out the functions of void of pixel integer x integer y integer date. And the functions, function calling, and this is called these functions. The value of x receiving this x, and the value of receiving the value of y, and the 4 receiving the value of z. And we can plot the pixels for I equal to x, I less than equal to floating point x1 plus we can find previously the last coordinate, like when x0 goes to x5 when we plot the pixels 0 to 5. So when x0 equal to xi plus 1 equal to x5, then loop finished. And after that we will get the finished value, and we get the line according to DDA. So you have exercise draw a line using DDA if D1 is 510 and P2 is 2018. P1 is 10-2 and P2 is 2014. You have to solve these questions, and according to these questions the slope of m is greater than 1, where when we find the value of m, the m goes to x2 minus x1 y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, and we can get this is the x1, this is the y1, this is x2 and this is y2, and we see that y2 14 minus 2 by y2 x2 14 minus 2 by 20 minus 10 12 by thus 1.2 equal to m, and m greater than 1. So according to your equations we have to plot y equations according to y more incremented than x. And in these questions m बराबर है y2 18 minus 10 by 20 minus 5, 18 minus 10 8 by 15, and here the value we can get in points, and value is going to m going to less than 1, and in this scenario we have to increment x more than y. In next session we will discuss resonant line. Okay, if you have any questions then you may ask next sessions. Thank you.